The future has never been brighter for AR and MR glasses. From glasses with gigantic virtual screens to ones designed for industry use, I'm rounding up the best Mr. Glasses you can buy right now. Transform your entertainment experience with the XREAL One Pro, the latest innovation in AR smart glasses. Immersive visuals. Enjoy a stunning full HD display with a 57-deg field of view, 700 nits of brightness, and vibrant picture quality, powered by XREAL's X1 spatial computing chip. Exceptional audio. Integrated Bose sound delivers rich audio to match your visual experience. Lightweight and adjustable, weighing just 87 grams, the glasses include an adjustable interpupillary distance for personalized comfort. Future-ready expansion. Pair with the modular XREAL Eye, a 12MP camera module, for enhanced AI capabilities and photo capturing features. 2 sizes. These AR glasses are available in 2 sizes. IPD ranges for 57, 66mm and 66, 75mm to accommodate a wider range of users. The XREAL One Pro delivers an immersive AR experience with exceptional visuals, impressive sound quality, and a lightweight design. Experience next-level augmented reality with the Rokid AR Spatial, a cutting-edge AR glasses pack designed for work, gaming, and entertainment. Intelligent myopia and pupillary adjustment, world's first with automatic vision correction, eliminating the need for extra lenses. Colossal 300 inches display, Sony Micro OLED tech delivers 12 OP per eye, 600 nits brightness, and a 100,000:1 contrast ratio. Seamless multi-device connectivity connects effortlessly to consoles, computers, smartphones, and the Station 2 for endless versatility. True 3-screen setup. Yadao's master browser supports triple app multitasking for unparalleled productivity. Portable and ergonomic, weighing just 75 grams, designed for all-day comfort and hands-free interaction. Advanced cloud gaming and media support, AAA cloud gaming, panoramic content viewing, and 3D movie experiences. The Rokid AR Spatial redefines immersive technology with unmatched visual clarity, comfort, and multitasking capabilities. VITURE Pro XR glasses offer a private 135/120Hz Full HD Ultra Clarity display that transforms your digital engagement across devices. Immersive visual experience. Benefit from 4,000 nits of brightness. Designed for comfort, features like anti-glare, anti-ghosting, and anti-motion sickness technology ensure a comfortable viewing experience. Take advantage of it during extended use. Advanced light control, built-in myopia adjustments, and an electrochromic film reduce external light by up to 99.5%. Free yourself from needing lens shades. Sound and build quality. Enjoy rich audio through a partnership with Harman. Rely on the durable, full-metal aircraft-grade aluminum body with titanium hinges. Comprehensive compatibility. The Spacewalker app offers multiple virtual screens and native 3D VR video compatibility across most operating systems. Experience the future of visual and interactive technology with these XR glasses wherever you go. See information like never before with the Halliday Proactive AI glasses with invisible display, combining active AI support and a discrete near-eye display for smarter living. Near-eye Digi window display, a 3.5 inches invisible screen in your field of vision with minimal obstruction, even in bright light. Proactive AI assistance. Get real-time summaries, meeting notes, and proactive answers during conversations, no prompts needed. Seamless connectivity. Pairs with your smartphone via Bluetooth for live navigation, synced music lyrics, and discrete messaging. Multi-language translation. Offers real-time AI translation across 40 languages for global communication support. Voice control and comfort. Navigate with voice commands, frame touch controls, or a trackpad ring. Lightweight at just 35 grams with 8-hour battery life. Stylish and functional, available in matte black and tortoiseshell with prescription lens support. The Halliday Proactive AI glasses with invisible display redefine smart eyewear for everyday convenience and clarity. Elevate your viewing experience with the Rokid AR Joy 2 ergonomic augmented reality glasses. This innovative AR kit transforms any environment into a personal entertainment hub. Transform your viewing experience. These advanced AR glasses deliver a captivating 210 inches virtual screen that turns any setting into your personal cinema. Meanwhile, it weighs just 75 grams. Unmatched visual clarity. Enjoy stunning visuals with a 50-degree field of view and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. TUV Rainland certification promises eye comfort. Seamless streaming and power solutions. Partnering with the Rokid Station, a Google-certified Android TV device, the Rokid AR Joy 2 offers effortless streaming from popular platforms. Long battery life and security. Enjoy up to 5 hours of continuous entertainment with the Rokid AR Joy 2. Its advanced privacy features and spatial audio technology ensure that your viewing experience remains immersive and distraction-free. It also keeps your content secure and private. Level up your entertainment with the Rokid AR Joy 2. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.